Welcome to the 7W Data Insights podcast, where we distill the latest in technology and business to fuel your strategic thinking. If you haven't already, subscribe to our newsletter for deeper insights delivered straight to your inbox. Today, we're diving into a transformative shift that's reshaping leadership and industry landscapes: the strategic integration of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to redefine the framework of industries globally, future leaders are tasked with the vital challenge of weaving advanced technologies into their strategic blueprints. How do we prepare for this AI-driven future? And what does it mean for leaders today? Let's start with the emerging workforce. The class of 2025 stands on the cusp of entering a world where AI is not just a tool, but a cornerstone of daily operations. For these future professionals, proficiency in AI and digital technologies isn't just advantageous, it's essential. The key lies in fostering adaptability and interdisciplinary skills that enhance problem-solving and innovation. Encouraging experiential learning through internships in AI sectors can be a game changer, preparing graduates for the rapid technological shifts they will encounter. The action item here is clear: integrate AI-focused curricula and interdisciplinary courses into educational institutions to furnish students with future-ready skills. Shifting our focus to leadership, the rise of AI brings about a new era of thought leadership. Leaders today must not only adopt AI strategically to enhance competitive advantages, but also confront the ethical and operational challenges it presents. Cultivating AI literacy within leadership teams is crucial to drive informed decision-making. Open dialogues on AI ethics and transparency are vital to build trust and align AI initiatives with organizational values. The call to action is to facilitate workshops and training that empower leaders with forward-thinking strategies, ensuring they are prepared to navigate AI's transformative impact. On a national scale, the UAE's Stargate initiative exemplifies AI's role as a crucial component of the national infrastructure. This initiative sets a precedent for how countries can integrate AI to enhance governmental functions and drive digital transformation. Strategic investments in AI can lead to significant economic and societal advancements, but it requires collaboration between public and private sectors. Establishing clear frameworks for AI implementation guides national development, while fostering public-private partnerships, leverages AI capabilities effectively. The strategic takeaway is to create comprehensive strategies that integrate AI into national infrastructure plans, emphasizing collaboration and continuous improvement. As we reflect on AI's sweeping impact, it's clear that embracing this technology is not just about keeping pace. It's about leading the charge into a future where AI is embedded in every aspect of business and society. Leaders and educators alike must prioritize continuous learning and strategic thinking to harness AI's full potential. Think about your organization or institution. Are you prepared to integrate AI in a way that is both strategic and ethical? What steps can you take today to ensure your team or students are equipped for the challenges and opportunities of an AI-driven future? Join us next time on the 7W Data Insights podcast as we continue to explore the intersections of technology and business. Remember to subscribe to the newsletter for more insights and updates. Thanks for listening.